Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to block a sender in Outlook. This video is really helpful for you guys because it's a step-by-step guideline. So if you really found this video helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe our channel. Okay, let's proceed. First, go to your Outlook app. In my case, I've linked my Google account with my Outlook application, so I can proceed, and you might link it your other services with your Outlook app. So first of all, let me give you an example. Okay, if I don't want any message, for example, from Spotify, here's the things that I'm going to do. First, tap on the message or tap on the email, and on the top corner of the application there is three dots, and tap on it. Then click on report junk. As you can see, you see a block sender on the bottom, so click on that. Now listen me carefully. If you don't want to receive any message again from any sender that you really don't want, send or tap on a block sender. That will make you won't get any message from that sender. That's it. It's simple, really. Okay, if you really like this video, I say it again, please leave a like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.